Hi there. For this question, it's just the reverse of what we did in questions 1 and 2. This is given to us with the sample mean, okay, plus or minus the margin of error. Okay, so in order to figure out what the low number is and the high number is, so we'll call this the lower bound. Call it lower, and this is upper. As you can imagine, subtraction is going to lead to a lower number, and the addition is going to lead to an upper number. So for lower, we just have to say x bar, the sample mean, minus the margin of error. For the upper, we have to do x bar plus the margin of error. And that'll give us those two numbers. Okay, so let's try this one. Oh, and by the way, the fancy words here, trilinear inequality. Isn't that fancy? But that just tri means 3, so trilinear means 3 terms. And inequality just means that they're not equal to each other. There is this number is less than the population mean, which is less than the upper number. Okay, so let's go to the calculator. I have it all set up here. So let's try the first one. This time I don't need parentheses. All I got to do is add and subtract. So 806.6 minus 101.5. Okay, and so if I just hit enter, that is my lower bound. And for my upper bound, I just have to add. So I'm going to be a little lazy here and do Control-C. Control-V to paste it, change that to a plus sign. I probably typed just as much as if I would have just typed the numbers. And there's my upper bound. So let's double check that those answers are correct. There we go. For the lower and for the upper, 908.1. Perfect. So that's how you do this question.